Hey everybody, it's the captain and the co-pilot here. What do you guys do when you're not camping and you're in the off season?
We shop Amazon.
We went crazy on Amazon this past winter. Just lots of stuff. We bought some stuff that was very needed, and we bought some fun stuff, and then we bought some stuff that's just crazy.
We can't wait to show you everything that we got. Some of our favorite things are at the very end, so you're gonna have to keep watching this video.
So check out this montage of all the cool stuff, and yeah, it's gonna be a great haul.
And put it in the comments what you think is your favorite thing.
It's almost like I bought myself my own little Red Ryder carbine action 200-shot range model air rifle.
Wow. That was a haul.
That was a haul. So obviously, as you can tell, some of this stuff was just crazy fun. Some of this stuff was needed. You can probably tell what I like and what she likes.
Well, I liked my chair until you got the couch.
The slouch couch.
Holy cow, dude.
Well, I just kind of I saw a Facebook ad and I went with it.
And the flamethrower, that's been a running joke with our daughter. Put a flamethrower on her Christmas list a few years ago.
Again, I saw it on Amazon and it dropped in price a lot. And so I just couldn't pass it up. They make a smaller version, but I wanted the big one.
And I've been eyeing that tablecloth for probably a couple years. So I wanted that tablecloth.
You know, and again, some of this stuff was needed. We've started to replace a few things. Obviously, we had a water pump in there. I wanted to have the water pump in case it goes out, right? So it's kind of a backup. But I think at the 4-year mark here, we needed to make sure we start picking up some things that we might need. We've got more chairs that I know what to do with, like different types of chairs, different ways to sit in them. But I don't know. I want to be comfortable when I'm at a campsite. So if I want to sit in my regular chair, or if I want to sit in that, or if I want to sit in this, I want to be comfortable.
Okay, and let's talk dog food containers really quick, right? So we've got 3 dogs now in this RV, and we used to bring bags of food, and we had this like clip on it. But then you got to stick your arm all the way in the bottom of the container to like get the food out, and like
And we had the food go bad on us once. We actually had dog food get moldy.
Yeah.
So we needed a vessel to put the dog food in.
It needed to be airtight. So this one that I got right here, airtight. You saw it in the video. It has a little window in the top so you can scoop in. And I think the coolest thing, it has little wheels on the bottom so you can move it around. But I think one of the coolest things is it will collapse. So it's full size now with a full bag of food, and that's a what?
That's 30? That's a 35-pound bag of dog food. So we'll probably carry that and another bag with us.
Bag of dog food in there, and then as you use it, what I didn't want was a hard plastic one, because then you're stuck with that humongous thing. Whereas this, you can collapse it down to like a mid-size as you use your food, and then a very like baby size. So by the time you get to the end of your trip, you got this little container, and you're still not toting around this big thing. So that's pretty cool.
And it may or may not work. We're gonna give it a whirl, see what happens. I mean, again, some of the stuff is fun, some of the stuff is necessary, some of the stuff is replacements, and I don't think we went crazy. It just is some needed items.
Maybe the couch and maybe the LED eyes.
And some of this stuff was Christmas gifts, right?
Yeah.
We've had this stuff sitting in the house for a while, and we haven't even gone on our first trip of the year yet. So here we are piecing together all this stuff, and I'm like, all right, now I got to find a home for all this stuff.
We'll find a home for it.
And I love the hashtag stuff.
Okay, so that's our Amazon haul. We're going to put all the links in the description so that you can get whatever you want out of all this stuff. In the comments, let us know what you like the best. Let us know what we still need. I think that was a big haul.
And let us know what you think is absolutely fun.
Yeah, what's fun, what's necessary. Let us know in the comments. Give this video a like. Give us a subscribe so you can follow along on all of our adventures.
Absolutely. Thank you, everybody. Captain out.